Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Steam Deck. So you can go ahead and resell this or something like that. Press the Steam button, going down to Settings. Then go to System, go to the right, and scroll on down all the way to the bottom under this list. And right here, we have the option to reset to factory state, and this will delete your information. So it says, this operation will permanently delete data on your device. Please select which system partition you would like to reset. So clear user data, we can't change that one, but reinstall SteamOS, that's an option. You don't have to necessarily do that. So you can decide which one you want to go and choose, and that will erase your information, all your games, etc. Then you should be good to go. So just hit confirm right there and go through that process. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.